Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to make the mysterious fossil in Travel Town, so you can unlock rare decorations, complete collections, and keep your town looking unique, no matter which stage you're on in the game. First off, the mysterious fossil is usually part of a special event or dig site. To start, look for excavation zones or hidden dig spots in your town. These appear during limited time events or after unlocking certain areas. Next, you'll need to collect specific materials like ancient bones, rocks, or other fossil parts. These are often dropped when you tap on excavation points or complete digging missions. Here's a pro tip. Upgrade your shovel or digging tools if available. Some events let you boost your dig efficiency and increase your chances of finding rare items like the mysterious fossil. Don't forget to check nearby buildings or finish neighborhood tasks. Sometimes completing a district or upgrading a museum unlocks new dig locations or crafting options. So should you feel stuck with missing fossils? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, stay active during events, and keep digging. Let me know in the comments if you've crafted the mysterious fossil yet and what it unlocked for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.